be lucky. Break quickly at a start. Moving a 40 outside Serena. Marijuana West Classical Jada. Alinga Yang. Gigi Star comes next, then followed over by Weather lang. Moving a 40 outside now is Bianca's Fantasy. Batang Tundo, leading to God. Chariot of Fire comes next, and going along for the first turn we have Serenza. They are the leader by about 2 lengths. Classical Jet is right behind in second, then followed over by Lucky Bilaki. Aling Nayang, Weather lang in the middle, then followed over by Bianca's Fantasy. Lady Tugad, Parawana West, Chariot of Fire comes next, Barang Tondo, then next on then is Gigi Star, Miss Fantastic, racing second last, while his Petacha is racing in 13th, inside the 3 octavo, we have Serenza, maintaining a 3 lengths lead, Lucky Bilaki in second, Classical Jade is done in third, Weather lang comes next, then moving up now on the outside is Parawana West, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Serings this time, draws clear by about 5 lengths. Lucky Bilaki moving about the outside now is Parawana West. With about 100 meters of the race, we have Serings this time by about 6 lengths, followed now by Parawana West. And finally, it's Serings, Parawana West. Lucky Bilaki, Weather lang, Classical Jade, and Chariot of Fire for your Super 6.
Ito interesting to know ito, preba ang ginawa nito ni Serings. Despite galing sa mahabang bakasyon ito, pero tignan mo naman yung kwartos. 18, 25 and a half, medyo mahina pa yun, 25 and a half. Tercero quarter niya, o third quarter niya is 24. Tapos tumapas pa ng 25 and a half, ang galing ng preba. 1 minute 33 seconds flat ang preba po. Ang total time ni Serings, mukhang naghahamon na rin ito. Serings.